Hello and welcome to my channel Learn English with Ram. Dear students, today we are going to learn common first name of females. So let's learn. Our first one is Alice. There is a very famous movie, Alice in Wonderland, that was released around 2010. So it's Alice. Second one is Amanda. The same title, there is a poem in class 10th. The Diary of Anne Frank, another lesson in class 10th. So its pronunciation is Anne. Next one is Barbara movie. The heroine of the movie Kites. It's Belinda. It's Belinda. It's a heroine of a very famous book on satire written by Alexander Pope. Sixth one is Catherine. Another one is Charlotte. It's Charlotte. We often mispronounced it by saying Charlotte. Its pronunciation is Charlotte. Another one is Christina. Mind the stress on sound S. Christina. Ninth is Daisy. 10th is Diana. 11th is Doris. 12th is Dorothy. It's Dorothy. 13th is Elizabeth. 14th is Evelyn. Next one is Gertrude. It's Gertrude. 16th is Harriet. James Harriet, the writer of The Triumph of Surgery, the first lesson of the first flight class 10th. This is Helen. 18th is Isabel. Next one is Jacqueline Fernandez, the very famous heroine. And the last one is Jennifer. It's Jennifer. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.